Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how this awesome paper airplane flies. So I give you a little bit history about this paper airplane. This one is my first design. I created the paper airplane 10 years ago, around that time, but the paper airplane did not fly very well. I didn't know how to adjust the wings to make the plane work, but now I rework on it and I realized, yeah, I can make it fly better. And let's check it out now. This plane should fly very well at this time. Okay, let's take a look at this, and I will throw it up at 30 to 45 degrees. Rapid. So it flies very far, huh? Let's try to throw it back over here. Go stand here and throw again. Oh, careful. Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Wow, it's really far away. Now you'll be on this side, I'll be on the other side. You'll be on that side. You right there, then you'll stay over there. Not yet, not yet. Hold on. Go. Yeah, try again. You should throw it harder. You should throw it harder. Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. First step, let's fold the paper in half horizontally. And then unfold the paper. Let me flatten it down again. Now I start from the upper edge. Start from both sides of the paper. I fold both corners to the center crease. One side first and then the next one. Very simple. On the following step, I will estimate about 1 inch along this edge, and I will fold straight to this corner. Alright, so let's do it this way. About 1 inch and straight to the corner. Very simple, right? And I can press the paper down very hard. Repeat the same fold for the other side. On this side, it is much easier because I can match this corner to this corner. Alright, so let me do it. I do it already. On the following step, I will start from this tip and fold straight to this point, this edge, okay? The intersection of this crease and the edge. So fold straight there. There we go. So this is how it should look like. And now I can fold this out of the paper to the center crease. Okay, so I will start from this edge and fold along this side. And let me adjust it a little bit. Maybe this is incorrect. Okay, I need to fold straight to this point. Alright, so I need to fold a little bit more. Let me adjust it first. This is okay. This crease, the mistake that I make will be hidden. So I'll start from this side and fold straight. Okay. Once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. So this is how it looks like. And at the end of the paper, this part of the paper I fold up to hold both sides of the paper together. Okay. And now I can fold the paper in half. Turn the paper over and fold it in half. Pretty good. On the following step, I will start from this edge and fold straight down to create the wings. So let me fold it down like this first. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. Now I have ball wings. At the end of the wings, I'll fold up to create the elevators and stabilizer. This elevator is also stabilizer, alright? So estimate about 1 inch along this edge for straight up. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. It looks very cool, right? But actually you need to adjust it. If it looks like this, the paper airplane will just fly straight up and crash down. So I need to make it parallel with this edge. So let me adjust it a little bit. If it doesn't fly up, very easy, create the elevator. Okay, but let me flatten it out for now. And I will adjust this stabilizer as well. This to be parallel. Okay. And here you go. This is the triangle. You can adjust the stabilizer to make it look cool and have it fly better. Alright, like this. Make sure the stabilizer should look like this. Yep. And this is the triangle. I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. And don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Ready? This looks so cool, right? Let's check it out, guys. Wow.